Well, Divya Agarwal, hello. Finally, I have got you on coffee time with Griha. So, cheers to that, first of all.
Cheers, Griha, and I will share a coffee with you very soon. Thank
Yes,
you so much.
yes, we will. Once you return victorious from Big Boss's house.
Hundred
So, we are.
percent.
And you are the queen of reality television, yeah. You've already got that part sorted. So I'm sure there is too much competition जो दिव्या अग्रवाल की तरफ से आने वाला है as far as the other contestants are concerned.
I don't know, Griha, because honestly, reality shows भले मैंने किए हों, but the thing is, उन लोगों ने भी तो शायद मुझे देखा होगा reality shows में मैं कैसी हूँ और मेरे characteristics क्या हैं and how do I react. तो I think it's an advantage and disadvantage as well. But अगर खुद के गेम में खेलने की बात आती है तो I think I can perform well under pressure. And ये pressure मैं पहले ले चुकी हूँ एक reality show का. And I think it's now easy for me to take that pressure. मैं तो wait कर रही हूँ.
What is Divya Agarwal like? Is she too friendly? Is she quick to get ticked off? Is she too confrontational? What is it like that you think will be more seen by the audiences on Big Boss OTT?
Divya Agarwal is going to be honest, full of energy, and she will add a lot of life in the show. I'm 100% sure. And yeah, honesty is my key to
Hmm.
survive
Hmm.
anywhere. In my life, also, I've been honest. My life has been an open book. And I know how things are sorted when I'm honest. So I'm going to be sorted inside by being honest. अगर मुझे कोई चीज नहीं पसंद आई है तो नहीं पसंद आई है यार.
Right.
उसमें I will not refrain myself from talking.
Hmm.
So yeah, this is me.
So we have seen what and how Big Boss and the past seasons, how they gone about. Obviously, there is too much conjecture, and then the talk begins on personal life. Abhi Varun एक reality show से आए हैं. There's so much of talk about एक छोटी सी photograph भी निकलती है तो इतनी सारी stories बन जाती हैं. Whether he bonding with other female co-stars or whatever, it becomes like too much of a deal. Same is going to be happening with you because obviously you are inside the house. You will be having male members in the house also. Ready for that? How do you take on those detractors actually?
Yeah, honestly, I am. I love it when girls are dying for my man. I love it that he's so wanted.
You go, girl.
I am. यार मैं हमेशा से ऐसा लड़का चाहती थी. मतलब मैंने स्कूल में भी जब डेट किया था ना तब सबसे पॉपुलर लड़के को डेट किया था भाई. कि भाई he should be that person who's wanted by so many. And I'm so glad जब वरुण को ratings मिल रही थी. I'm like, I know 10 on 10 obviously. So मेरा तो वो attitude है यार and उसका भी यही है. And we are both very confident with each other. So we really don't care about these trolls coming into picture or anything like that happening around us. हमें पता है 4 दिन की बात है. जब बिग बॉस से वापस आ जाऊंगी जीत के तब तो उसके साथ मैंने वेकेशन पे जाना है. ठीक है तो फिर वापस दिख जाएगा सबको यार. And then we are not here to time and again prove that okay, even though we are going out with our female friends or male friends, but we are still in a relationship. I don't want to do that. He has his personal life, I have my
Yeah.
personal life, so it's absolutely fine.
So what happens when you have your own fans who are saying that अरे इतने टाइम से साथ रह रहे हो शादी कब करोगे? All DMs and messages. Obviously, we've seen your posts. वो messages तो हमेशा ही आते हैं. What do you do about that?
uh, शादी is a very responsible
Hmm.
डिसीजन. ठीक है. एंड हमें तो पहले घर बनाना है खुद का. ठीक है. अच्छे से जब घर बन जाएगा फाइनेंशियली वी आर सेटल्ड एंड हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड. आई थिंक दैट वुड बी द स्टेप व्हेन वी वुड थिंक अबाउट अनदर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन आवर हेड. एंड वंस तो शादी हो गई देन तो फिर फैमिली एंड एवरीथिंग देन एवरीथिंग कम्स इन प्लेस. सो इट्स अ ह्यूज कमिटमेंट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 years के तुम मतलब थोड़े से इन्वॉल्व हो जाओगे अपनी फैमिली लाइफ में. एंड वी डोंट वांट टू गो and dedicate that time into family right now. We both are living together, we are living happily together.
Hmm.
And मैं तो यही चाहूंगी भाई कि जब हम सब सेट हो जाएं and our dreams are achieved because we both are very passionate people in our life. तो आई वांट पहले ड्रीम सक्सेसफुल हो जाए. शादी वादी तो होती रही यार. अब लिव इन आ गया. अभी लोगों के
Of
प्रेशर
course.
से थोड़ी ना मैं सब कुछ करती रहूंगी लाइफ में.
So ये live in word से I'm coming to the next question. You are going to be living in with the rest of the people in the house, right? You have come with your set of experience living with a second person. No matter how much you love him, there are a lot of adjustments when you get down to living with someone. Here you
Very
are supposed to be living in with so many other people. what is that take back जो वरुण के साथ रहने पे मिला है, जो जिसने आपको has made you much calmer, which you probably weren't when you were staying alone?
Honestly, Varun is quite a sorted person to be living with in a house, because यार वरुण बड़ा ही सीधा है बेचारा. वो पूरे दिन में अगर उसको कोई काम नहीं होता है तो वो अपना एक कोना पकड़ता है और अपना PS5 पकड़ता है और वो खेलते रहता है बस. ठीक है, he will not disturb anybody, he doesn't want anybody to disturb him. ठीक है, उसको बच्चों की तरह बस टाइम टू टाइम खाना ऐसे उसके हाथ में दे दो, वो खाते, वो खेलते खेलते खा लेगा, फिर वापस दे देगा और तुम वो रख दो. एंड वो ज्यादा गंद नहीं फैलाता है यार घर में. ही इज वेरी क्लीन दैट वे, यू नो. उसका कबर्ड हमेशा सेटल्ड होता है, एवरीथिंग इज नाइस एंड सेटल्ड. तो आई गेस थैंकफुली हमारे बीच में वो कंपैटिबिलिटी है कि यू नो थिंग्स आर फाइन. बट दूसरे
जब लोगों में ना हो ये, जब लोग क्लीन फ्रीक ना हो आपके जैसे या मेसी हो, what is gonna happen then, दिव्या?
I don't know यार गृहा, मैं इतनी ज्यादा परेशान होने वाली हूँ लोगों के गंद से. मतलब I hate people, you know, wasting food. I hate it, you know, जब लोग नाटक करते हैं खाने में. ठीक है यार, यहाँ पे लोगों को खाना नहीं मिलता है, तुम खाने में नाटक कर रहे हो. I don't like that, you know. These are basic etiquettes in life that shows how you were living previously and how you are as a person.
Right.
So I think वो सब काफी पिक्चर में आने वाला. तो मैं कैप्टन हूँ या मैं नहीं हूँ, मैं तो बोलने वाली हूँ, फिर भले मैं बुरी बनूं, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है भाई.
Okay, so you are going to be, you know, the center of attention, I'm sure. Now I want you to actually hold that coffee cup of yours. Refreshment चाहिए आपको, इतने सारे interviews हो रहे हैं. I am going to give you these instances in life. आपकी जिंदगी में हुआ है, अगर आपने किया है, take a sip, tell me the story behind it. Okay?
Okay.
So first one, take a sip. If you remember, because obviously you're going to be in front of so many cameras 24/7. If you remember your first ever photo shoot or on camera experience.
I do. So this was a commercial advertisement for Head and Shoulders, and मेरा hardly 3 second का scene था. I was an extra in the scene. 3 second का scene था, पर वो 3 सेकंड के लिए मैंने डायरेक्टर की जान ले ली थी लिटरली, क्योंकि वो मुझे समझा के परेशान हो गया था और मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा था उसको कैसा एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए. एंड जस्ट फॉर दोस 3 सेकंड्स आई वाज लाइक ओह माय गॉड, ये कब खत्म होगा. एंड दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा. एंड उसके बाद से लेके आज काफी चेंजेस आ गए, काफी डेवलपमेंट हो गई है.
I'm sure you were like Phoebe Buffet, जिनको एक ट्रे लाके रखनी थी, उसमें she like gave the director too much pain.
भाई, and director like ठीक है, इतना नहीं, ठीक है. I'm like okay.
Okay, second one, take a sip. If you've ever had a makeup faux pas, ever.
Sorry?
Makeup faux pas, something that you like, you were turned out in a very odd kind of makeup and you thought that, oh, after a while you realize you do not look as good on camera.
Yes.
कब हुआ है ये?
स्प्लिट्सविला, मैंने इतना खराब मेकअप किया था कोई एपिसोड में कि मेरे को ऐसे खुद पे लग रहा था कि मैं क्या करके आ गई हूँ, मैंने क्यों ये मेकअप किया, मेरे बाल इतने फ्रिजी क्यों लग रहे हैं, मैंने क्यों नहीं टाइम पे मैं उठ के रेडी हुई. बट हाँ, दैट वाज अ बैड not groomed type of a show.
But I'm sure we're going to see the diva that Divya Agarwal is in Big Boss. I'm sure. Not just on Fridays, but I'm sure all the days. Yeah.
Every day.
Okay. Next one. Take a sip. If you've ever written or received a love letter in your life. हाँ. कौन सा वाला है? Written or received? अच्छा दोनों. So many.
Everything. लव लेटर्स तो भाई ऐसे लव लेटर्स आए मुझे, वाह वाह वाह, मजा ही आ जाता था. एंड स्कूल में मैं काफी पॉपुलर थी. एंड स्कूल में आई वाज द डांसिंग डीवा. मेरे सीनियर बैचेस मुझसे डांस सीख के जाते थे. यू नो, एनुअल डेज वो माय डेज, दैट वाज माय प्लेग्राउंड. ओके. एंड पूरे स्कूल में बड़ी पॉपुलैरिटी. एंड जहां मैंने देखा, यू नो, बंच ऑफ क्लास, यू नो, पासिंग बाय, अगर ऐसे क्लासमेट्स अगर पास कर रहे हैं या कोई और क्लास के पास कर रहे हैं, भाई मेरी डांसिंग में और पावर आ जाता था. तो इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक क्वाइट एक्साइटिंग फॉर अदर्स टू वॉच मी डांस. एंड उस वक्त मुझे काफी लव लेटर्स आते थे. एंड वन ऑफ द लव लेटर वाज completely on the basis of dance. and that boy only loved me because of my dancing. जब मैंने उससे बात की तो मेरे को कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगा तो इसलिए it couldn't work यार.
So I'm sure जब Big Boss tasks देंगे, so you will be the designated choreographer also of the house, other than also dancing. Designated choreographer.
100%.
Okay. All right. Next one. Take a sip. If still not many people know that you have won not just one, but a lot many other beauty pageants.
Yes, I have won 3 beauty pageants in all. One was a city level pageant, Miss Navi Mumbai. Another one was Miss another one was Indian Princess. Third one was Miss Tourism International.
Yeah.
And I had represented India. वो मेरे लिए सबसे सुंदर वक्त था सच में गृहा, and that was such a proud moment for me. And I was wearing that sash India का, and जितने भी international लोग थे ना, they were like just like Aishwarya Rai, Sushmita Sen, and you know they were talking like this, and I felt so proud that you know they remember India with such beauties.
Yeah.
And you know they used to ask me my name, and I used to tell them, listen, I know Aishwarya and Sushmita are big, but you know don't forget my name, okay?
I'm sure, yeah. I'm sure nobody is going to forget your name, and your fans are. You're obviously they're looking forward to this, and they're going to love you after you come out victorious from the Big Boss's house. Also, inshallah. Fans की हम बात करें तो take a sip if you remember your first ever fan encounter.
So there was this event in Navi Mumbai itself, and I remember there was this boy who had walked up to me, and he started crying so badly, and you know he was just so much in love and so inspired by me. And when I saw him crying and his mother was right next to him, and his mother was telling me how crazy he is, he watches all the episodes of Splitsvilla again and again.
Wow.
And you know he is so obsessed. So I just looked at him and I'm like, I genuinely hold so much responsibility of so many people in India that they love me, and I'm never going to ruin this for my life. I am never going to ruin their dreams. I'm always going to teach them good things, and you know share my experiences so that they learn or pick a thing or two. So yeah, that was my first fan encounter, and I don't want anybody to cry when they meet me. It doesn't look nice.
That's so sweet, yeah. That's really sweet. Okay, last one. We were talking about dancing, but take a sip. If you've ever sung in public. Sung in public. Confidence देखो भाई लड़की का.
भाई बहुत गाने गाए हैं मैंने, मेरी आवाज अच्छी नहीं है पर फिर भी मैं गाती. तो it's like, गाना तो आता नहीं है मगर हम फिर भी गाते हैं.
भाई you sing well, yeah, Divya. I'm not kidding. I'm surprised. अभी हम कौन से गाने की बात कर रहे थे इंटरव्यू शुरू होने के पहले, जो अभी रिलीज हुआ है 7 बजे? Why don't we sing? Why don't we end the interview with that song?
भाई वो तो बड़ा ही मुश्किल गाना है भाई, सुर ताल बहुत है उसमें, पर I'll still try.
Yeah.
तो जान दे कह दे चन्ना, तू है मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा, तारे आदि पुल ना जबी, नाल तेरे रहना चाहना, सुन ले मेरे दिल दी रानी.
My God, Big Boss has got its talented star.
I know, right? I would like to sing the hook line. ये edit करना, hook line डाल देना.
Yeah.
तेरे नाल मुहब्बतां ने बावा में, दुनिया नू समझावा में, किन्ना प्यार करदा तैनू मेरी जानी. Thank you. It's a song about long distance relationship, और अब जाके ये गाने का मतलब समझ में आ रहा है because it's gonna be long distance relationship with Varun. तो और ज़्यादा special हो चुका है गाना. And आज ही release.
Sweet, yeah, how sweet. Really sweet, Divya. And all the best for Big Boss. I'm sure you're gonna rock it.
Thank you so much, Griha. Thank you so much.
Thank you.